Hello everyone, welcome to my channel which is Learning Institute, and today I am going to discuss a very important question which was asked in IAS exam. So let's start the video. A counter used for measuring the activity of a given radioactive sample shows 4,750 counts at a particular instant and 1700 counts 5 minutes later. मतलब आफ्टर 5 मिनट के बाद इतना काउंट्स मिलता है. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड डीके कांस्टेंट, हाफ लाइफ, मीन लाइफ ऑफ द रेडियो एक्टिव एलिमेंट. So here for first question, we know that the rate of disintegration, that is dn upon dt, is equal to lambda n, and here it is given that minus dn upon dt is equal to 4750 for t equal to 0, n equal to n naught initially. So we can write as from equation 1, lambda n is equal 4750, and this can also written as lambda n naught equal 4750. Suppose this is equation 2. Also it is given that for t equal to 5 minute, that is equal to 300 second, minus dn by dt is equal to 27, this is 27 count 5 minute later. So after 5 minute, minus dn by dt is equal to 2700 counts. So this minus dn by dt is equal to lambda n from the basic formula, and this is equal to minus 2700 equal to lambda, and this n is nothing but n naught into e to the power minus lambda t. Here this time is 300 second. So we have already from equation 2, lambda n naught is equal to 4750, this is into e to the power minus lambda t, and here is 2700. Now e to the power minus lambda t equal 2700 upon 4750, and which is equal to so this is equal to 1 upon 1.759. So after simplify, we get e to the power lambda t equal 1.759. Now taking log both sides, so lambda t equal ln 1.759, and here t is 300 second, so lambda equal, and this ln of 1.759 is equal to 0.5647 upon 300. This you can check from Google or even log series. So finally this is equal to 1.882 into 10 power minus 3 per second. So this gives the decay constant. Now the second question, so this is the first answer, decay constant. So for the second question, we know that the T half, that is a half life, is equal to 0.693 by lambda. So 0.693 upon 1.882 into 10 power minus 3, and this will give 368.2 second, nearly 5 minute 8.2 second. So this is the half life. Now the average life or mean life, the third question, we can find from the formula T bar equal 1 upon lambda. So this is the average life. So 1 upon 1.882 into 10 power minus 3, this is value of lambda. So after solving we get 531.4 second, which is nearly equal to 8 minutes and 51.4 second. So this is the average life. This question is very important. So I hope this is clear to all of you. Thanks for watching video. Thank you.